Hello everyone, welcome back to the accountancy class, and today we are discussing a very important topic in accountancy for 11th class, that is journal entries. Students, it is very easy topic, just you have to focus on the board how I am writing and how I am doing the journal entries. Just follow me. Okay, so let's start. The question is, record the following transactions in the journal of Ram. First, the 1st April, Ram started the business with cash 50,000 rupees. And how we do the journal entries? We have to make a format of the journal like this. You have to mention the date first of all, then particulars, then LF means laser folio, then debit and then credit. The debit and credit, two sides for the amounts. Let's start with the first transaction. Ram started the business with cash 50,000 rupees. So first of all, we have to mention the date over here, April 1st, which is mentioned in the question. Now we have to do the journal entry. So the journal entry of this transaction, cash account debit to capital, and the amount is 50,000 rupees. So we have to mention the 50,000 rupees in the debit side as well as in the credit side. Right? Now next entry for the transaction, 5th April is the date. Bought goods for cash. What he did? Ram purchased goods for cash 15,000 rupees. So the date is April 5. So we have to mention the date first of all, April 5. And now purchase is account debit to cash, and now the amount is 15,000 rupees. So we have to mention the 15,000 rupees on the debit side and in the credit side, 15,000 rupees. Now next entry for the next date, April 10, bought furniture for cash. He purchased furniture for cash transaction. So we have to mention the entry here, April 10, furniture account debit, because it is the expenses and this is the assets for his goods, or sorry, for Ram. So furniture account debit to cash, and the amount is 5,000 rupees. We have to mention the debit side and credit side same. Now next, April 15, cash received from Amit 10,000 rupees. Cash received from Amit on which date? April 15. April 15, cash received. It means he received cash. So we have to mention the cash account debit from whom? From Amit to Amit, and 10,000 rupees amount in debit and credit side as we are doing. It's very easy steps. Now next, April 20, withdrew cash from office for personal use, 20,000 rupees. He withdraw from office for his personal use. It means it is called drawings. When we withdraw something from office for the personal use, it is called drawings. So we have to mention the entry on April 20, which is given in the question, drawings account debit to cash, and the amount is 20,000 rupees. Now next, April 25, paid rent. It is the expenses of him. So we have to mention here, first of all we write the date in the date column, April 25. Rent is the expenses. So rent account debit to cash, and the amount is 5,000 rupees. So we have to mention 5,000 in the debit and credit side. Now next, 28 April, received a commission, he received commission. When anyone received a commission, so we have to mention like this, that cash account debit in terms of commission. So we have to mention over here in credit side to commission received like this, and the amount is 1000 rupees. Okay students, now move to the last entry, and the last entry is of April 30. April 30, what is the last entry? Sold goods to Sumit for cash 10,000 rupees. So we have to write cash account debit to sales, because we received cash in terms of sales by 10,000 rupees. And now we have to make the lines in the format, like on the date here, one line is here for the particular, and LF also. In last, students, we have what we have to do. We have to do the total of these all entries. Now just make a line over here in the last and make the total of all the entries. And I have calculated the all entries: 50,000 plus 15,000 plus 5,000 plus 10,000 plus 20,000 plus 5,000 plus 1,000 and 10,000. What is the total? 1,16,000 is the final total over here of all the entries. So we have to mention here 1,16,000 and make the line between debit and credit side also. I hope students you would understood this topic very easily, because these are the journal and entries. So if you have any kind of doubt, or if you feel any kind of difficulty regarding this topic, so you can contact me anytime. I will help you how to calculate these entries. Thank you so much.